Hey there, finance enthusiasts. I'm Tiffany Kent, your guide to this exciting journey to financial wisdom. Welcome to Elevate Your Equity, where we make finance fun and accessible. Today we're playing a game of dreams versus nightmares with compound interest. Ever dream of owning a luxurious Louis Vuitton purse? We'll see how smart saving can turn that dream into a reality and how impulsive spending can become a financial fright. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's go. Now imagine you'd like to purchase this brand new Louis Vuitton purse. It's stylish, it's chic. It's $1,000. Ouch! Well, not really, but for this purpose, we're going to use $1,000. You have two choices. Save up like a financial wizard or swipe that credit card like it's a magic wand. Which will you choose? First up, let's put our financial wizard hats on and explore the magic of saving with compound interest. It's really called delayed gratification, or DG for short. First, you start off with saving $200 a year for 5 years. That money can compound and grow at an interest rate of 5%. Watch your savings grow, and that is at the end of 5 years, you might have $1,000 more than the purchase of the purse, $1,160. Now that's your purse plus a little extra cash. Now let's switch gears and cast it in spell of instant gratification, buying that purse on a credit card. But watch out, that spell's got a twist, 20% interest rate. Caught up in this 20% storm, and it can be scary. So watch, you purchase that purse for $1,000, and let's say you don't have the money to pay it back. After 5 years, you'll owe $2,488. That's more than double the price of the purse. Now that's a financial nightmare. And that's how you have it, financial friends. Compound interest can be a blessing or a curse. Save up and watch your funds flourish, or get caught up in credit card debt, and it's like falling into financial quicksand. Choose your financial goals wisely. Until next time, we're off to our next adventure. Thanks.